All right, what's going on, team? All right, so just by looking at this little article here, you guys can get a pretty good idea of what I'm going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, kind of what's going on, but my thoughts on it here. All right, so let's dive into it. So Bitcoin, probably about a year ago, it caught flame. Everybody was buying it, everybody was selling it, buying and selling, and it literally went from 10,000 all the way to almost 20 in roughly a couple weeks, if not faster. And I bought some. I bought in at 10. I bought in at 11. Sold at 17, 18. Quick money, quick $700 I made. Very very easy. I just took my profits and I looked away. But then I remember looking at this saying, "Oh my God, it's at 19,000. This is crazy." And then it falls. Now it fell fast and hard. Now, if you would have bought Bitcoin at 20,000, you right now you would be having around $4,000, and that is crazy. So pretty much just ever since that big spike, we've been just slowly getting sell-offs and more sell-offs. We can pull up a Bitcoin chart here if you guys want. So let's go Bitcoin chart. I'm sure they will have it right up here. All right, so as you guys can see, 1 month went from 6 all the way down to 4. 5 day, it's actually pretty green on the 5 day. The 1 day it's red. 1 year it's red. So as you guys can see, 1 year ago, it was at almost at 10,000 right now, and it had that huge spike up December 16th, and then it just slowly sold off just like that. So now a lot of people saying, "Oh my God, this is so cheap. Why doesn't people buy this now, for another huge bull market?" Well, look at this. Okay, so if you guys know what a crash chart is, that's pulling up crash. Let's go stock. Or let's just go crash. Let's just see what crash cart looks. All right. We can compare it to Bitcoin. All right. So pretty much. Oh no. Let's look up. Let's look up pump and dump. This is what Bitcoin was. Not a crash. I'm sorry, guys. All right. First chart here. Huge pump. All right. So huge spike off, and then slowly just get a some sort of sell off. Yes, in the future, I'm not saying crypto's dead forever. I'm saying it's dead for now. Maybe 6 months it'll pick back up. But it's very common for stuff to get these huge pump and dumps, they're called. It's when a stock or cryptocurrency or even Forex, it gets huge volume, huge attraction, and everyone's buying it. Everyone's buying it. Their grandma's buying it. Everybody is buying this. And then at some point, people say this is too expensive. So they turn around and sell it. Now they just pretty much kind of sell it all at once. Bitcoin was a little different than this chart. Bitcoin pretty much just sold off fast. It really didn't have this consolidation mark. It just had this huge crash down, some buying back up. That's what this is, and then just huge selling off. Yes, it could very well, start getting momentum back. But for right now, I think $4,000 is fair. People aren't buying it. Crypto's dead. For people who say they're crypto experts, they missed the biggest run of their life. So when this thing went from, let's pull Bitcoin back up. But so this thing went literally from, whoa, I can't spell, 7 cents all the way to 20 almost $20,000. So let's go max. So you could have bought this at 5 cents, you know. So if you're an expert, I expect you to be buying maybe not at 5 cents, but somewhere in this, you know, somewhere in here. 2000 or 2012, 2013, maybe 2014 and possibly 2016. Before this huge hype, people just got hyped up in it and then now they're making money here, from November 4th to January, up here, they're saying, I'm an expert in this. Well, no, you got lucky with the trade. And I'm so sick and tired of people actually saying they're Bitcoin and cryptocurrency experts. It's literally ridiculous. But, all right, so anyway, so let's kind of get into here. So as you guys can see, an analyst, research analyst, said the selling above 4,000 is most likely a short term. Traders booking some profits. So, I think many people believe that Bitcoin could decline to 3,500. Very, very possible. And all of the crypto's dead pretty much. We have Litecoin. Let's pull that up. Very, very similar. Very, very similar idea. Huge sell-off 1 year ago, but a huge spike up. Just been getting sold off. And, there's other ones like Ethereum, Ripple, stuff like that. These blockchain industries, which I find, incredible. I love that. But crypto isn't the way right now. I think very well it could be. There's nothing stopping it from getting attraction again. People just aren't buying it just because no one's buying it. So once people start buying it, everything gets a little hotter. Everything will be back to booming like it was a year ago. But, am I going to invest in it? No, I am not. You know why? Because Bitcoin's, one of a kind, really. Cryptocurrency itself right now, it's one of a kind. People who are experts, this thing hasn't been around for, forever. This literally was not even 4 years ago. And if you say, oh, I'm an expert in it, no, you're not. You're not. An expert is somebody who's been in the industry for, 10 years. I'm a stock trader, but am I an expert? No. I'm a full-time stock trader. In the future, I'll be an expert or a professional. But, if let's say this thing even went, live, August 20th of 2016, those experts couldn't maybe just heard about it in here, and then they got this huge spike up, kind of like Bitcoin. But I think crypto's dead at the moment. At the moment, that's the key word. So, what are your thoughts about Bitcoin? Leave a comment on the video here. I'd love to check it out. And if you guys, have any questions or any video topics you'd love for me to cover, please sure to, ask me, leave a comment. I'll greatly appreciate it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a nice thumbs up. It always means a lot for me, guys. All right, so that's it, though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Take care, everybody.